pleasant day, everyone. I am Vincent Agulto from ABM 11B, Batch 1, Group 2, and today we're gonna learn and discuss about piecewise function. Again, what do we mean by piecewise function? Piecewise function is a function defined by two or more functions over a specified domain. Meaning to say, from what I've learned from Miss Raul, my Gen Math teacher, piecewise function is basically pieces of functions, and these pieces of functions are combined together to create a new function. That's what we mean by piecewise function in simpler terms. All right. So let's proceed to the main objective of our discussion. Our main objective is to solve problems, specifically word problems involving piecewise functions. And I know you already have knowledge regarding this topic. And so without further ado, let's now proceed to our main focus today, which is the word problem that we're gonna solve. Here it is. Vincent has decided to go to Litvan today. His Grab ride costs 400 pesos for 20 kilometers, and an additional 15 pesos will be added per succeeding kilometer. What we need to do is to construct a piecewise function for the pair. And so here now the question. How much will Vincent's Grab pair cost if the ride is 35 kilometers? This is what we're gonna try to solve. Okay, here is the solution now. Let D equals the distance, of course in kilometer, and f of D will be the Grab pair. So let's proceed now to our solution.
Once again, D is the distance in kilometer, and f of D represents the Grab ride cost. Now, let us construct. For our first domain, for 100 if D is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 15. Meanwhile, for our second domain, for 100 plus 15 times the difference of D and 20 if D is greater than 15. The given number of kilometers is 35, and so we're going to use the second domain. Here is the solution now. F of D is equal to 400 plus 15 times the difference of D and 20. Next, substitute the value of D to 35, and that would result to 400 plus 15 times the difference of 35 minus 20. And once you get the difference of 35 and 20, multiply 15 by 15. And next, 400 plus 225. And so, the answer is 625.
And that's it. Our final answer is 625 pesos. Therefore, Vincent's Grab pair will cost 625 pesos if the ride is 35 kilometers. We hope, Vincent would arrive in that run safely and at ease with traffic. Now, to generalize this discussion, it is noticeable that this particular function, piecewise function, is considerably significant as we use this to describe situations in which a rule or relationship changes as the input value crosses certain boundaries. Just like in relationships, piecewise functions are definitely important in terms of knowing the boundaries between two functions or relationships, and somehow we can apply this by knowing our boundaries with others, by knowing our relationships with other people. Piecewise functions can really be used to accurately represent real world problems because there are some problems that have multiple interpretations and multiple answers to show. Alright, I hope you learned a thing or two from my simple discussion, and that would be all for now. See you next time. Thank you so much.